गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। आज फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड के लिए मैंने 2 लेसन्स लिए छोटे छोटे। मैं पर, दूर, पास। तो मैं मीन्स इन समथिंग। व्हेन यू पुट यू कीप योर पेंसिल इनसाइड द बॉक्स, इज मैंने पेंसिल को बॉक्स के अंदर रख दिया, समथिंग लाइक दैट। मैं, हाँ। पर मीन्स ऑन, यू कीप इट ओवर समथिंग। Dur means far away, pass means something close by. So this is your lesson number 11 and 12. There are four things that I'll be touching in this lesson. These sentences have to be written in your classwork note, children. So going forward with the lesson, first one, जेब में कलम है. You can see a pink color shirt here in your textbook. Inside the pocket there's a pen. So it's written जेब में कलम है. जेब में कलम है means there's a pen inside the pocket. Inside, in the pocket, there's a pen in the pocket. Then you say थैली में किताब है. You can see a picture of a bag. In the bag there are some books. So थैली में किताब है. So there are some books in the bag, inside the bag. कुएं में पानी है. कुएं में पानी है means there's water in the well. So there is कुएं में पानी है means there's water in the well. पानी में मछली है. Where does the fish stay? In the water. So the fish is in the water. पानी में मछली है. Then we have किताब में तस्वीर है. So like this is a किताब, you have got pictures in it. So there's pictures in the book. So किताब में तस्वीरें हैं. कलम में स्याही है. कलम में स्याही है means children your pen has ink in it. स्याही means ink. Next one, table. मेज पर किताब है. Now what is a मेज, children? This is a table. The table has books on the table. पेड़ पर बंदर है. If you can see the picture, children, there's a small monkey on the tree. So the monkey is sitting on the tree. पर, मैं means in, पर means on. So the monkey is sitting on the tree. घड़ी, दीवार पर घड़ी है. So when you put something on the wall, it is fixed on the wall. So they say in the wall, the clock is on the wall. आसमान पर तारे हैं. आसमान पर तारे means you see many stars in the sky. So दीवार पर घड़ी है. The clock is on the wall. पेड़ पर बंदर है. The monkey sitting on the tree. So like this, मैं और पर means the difference between मैं and पर is in or on. Then coming to the दूर and pass. दूर means far, pass means close. So that boy is saying मेरे पास किताब है. So I have a book. So the book is close to me. When you catch a book, it's close to you means it's close. Pass. मेरे पास किताब है. तुम्हारे पास कलम है. You have a pen. That boy is catching a pen. So when there's something close by to you, it is pass. When there's something far from you, it is called दूर. अजय का घर दूर है. Now you can say अजय का घर दूर है, or you can say मेरी का घर दूर है, साद का घर दूर है. Means it's very far. विजय का घर पास है. You can say Jeremiah का घर पास है. You can say मुस्कान का घर पास. So these things are close by near the school. Some houses are far away from the school. So pass, nearby, close. दूर मैंने it's very far. सुमन गाय के पास है. So this boy is standing near the cow. So he's showing the distance between the cow and him is pass, close by. सोमू गाय से दूर है. सोमू is standing very far away. So he is दूर means it's very far. वह पेड़ दूर है. That small thing which looks small, that is far away. यह पेड़ पास में है. This big tree is close by to you because it looks big. Things which you see far away, they are all far means it's called as far. They are at a longer distance. And when you see things close by, they look big. It's at a shorter distance. So मैं means in, पर means. तो ये जो है दूर मैंने far, पास मैंने close. तो इस प्रकार children you have to write this in your Write this in your classwork note, take a picture, send it to me, and you can do this question answers which are given in this in your classwork note too. It's on page number 29. जेब में क्या है? जेब में कलम है. You can do this from your textbook itself. You do that, children. Take a picture and send it back to me. If you have any doubts, you can call me up and let me know. I will get back to you on the doubts. So do this homework in the classwork note. This has to be written, both has to be written in classwork note. Do it, send a picture, and I will correct and get back to you. Thank you, children.